Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk fajitas. This recipe takes 25-minute plus 4-hour marinade to prep and 15 minutes to cook. Serve 6 to 8 and is easy difficulty. Ingredients: 2.5 pounds elk sirloin, 1/4 cup lime juice, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, ½ teaspoons oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoons black pepper, 2 large bell peppers, 2 large onions, 8 to 10 flour tortillas, and toppings cheese. Step 1. Marinating. Combine lime juice, 2 tablespoons oil, garlic, and all spices in large bowl. Add elk strips and marinate 4 hours to overnight. Step 2. High heat cooking. Heat large cast iron skillet over high heat. Add remaining oil. Step 3. Elk cooking. Cook marinated elk strips in batches 3 to 4 minutes per batch until well browned and cooked through. Remove and keep warm. Step 4. Vegetable cooking. Add bell peppers and onions to same pan. Cook 4 to 5 minutes until slightly charred but still crisp tender. Step 5. Combining. Return elk to pan with vegetables and toss quickly to combine and heat through. And that's how you make elk fajitas. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.